Hey everyone, my name is Brandon Levine and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be learning how to set up a form data model that will eventually allow us to retrieve data from a database using something like maybe like an ID number or name using adaptive form. So this will be a two-part video mini-series where in this video I'm just going to show you how we're going to set up the form data model to allow for that process, and then in the next video I will show you how we can connect the form data model directly to the adaptive form. And so we're going to go and get started by creating a form data model from scratch. So I'm going to click on create and then form data model. I'm going to give it a title of YouTube model, and then I'm going to click next. And then I'm going to select on my database. If you don't know how to set this up, I've already made a video on showing you how to connect AEM to a MySQL database, and it will go through that process of how to set that all up. So I'll leave a link for that in the description below. And once that is clicked, I'm going to click on create and then edit. All right, so now we are on the form data model editor. I'm going to go select the table I'm going to use for this video. So I'm going to go over to Brandon's database, go to my schema, and then I'm going to select on this profile table. I'm going to click add selected, and then I'm going to click on save. All right, to add the service that allows for us to retrieve the data from the database, I'm going to go over to services, and then I want to make sure that this data sources tab is selected on the left-hand side of the screen. And then under services, I'm going to click on get, and then I'm going to click add selected. I'll click save. Oops. That's because I forgot we have to actually change some of the properties before it'll actually allow us to save it. So we'll go and do that now. So once that is selected, I'm going to go to edit properties. And then we want to make sure we have a model object to output. For this case, will just be that profile. And then I want to make sure that return array is turned off. That's just how we're going to do it for this video, but we can set it up to where we do take advantage of the array return feature. And then the last thing I want to do is under arguments, I'm actually not going to set a default value. Let's keep that at 0. Click done, click save. And then we can quickly test it out by clicking on this the service, and then we'll go to test service. Under profile ID, I'll do 1 because I think I have 1 there. Yep, I do. And we can see that it outputs on the right-hand side, and that's how you know it's working. Yeah, so that'll wrap it up for today. Keep an eye out for the next video in this mini-series on how we can actually use this form data model on our adaptive form. And so have a nice day, everybody. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.